The question says which one of the species is containing the 2 pi and the half sigma bonds. Let's see the species N2. Nitrogen atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, total becomes 7. Inner shell, I don't bother about it. 2s2, 2p3 outer shell. In this, I don't bother about 2s2. Let it go. So 2p3, let's see. 2p3 only, let's concentrate. For one nitrogen, for another nitrogen, right? We all people know that PZ and PZ axially overlaps, axial overlapping, sigma bonding, maximum overlapping, more attraction, less energy. So sigma PZ is at the bottom. So bonding bottom, anti-bonding top, PX sideways overlapping, PY sideways overlapping, extent of overlapping same, so their energy level same. Because overlapping is less, attraction less, energy more. So energy more for pi 2px and pi 2py. So bonding it is more, anti-bonding it is less, reverse case, right? So it is less. The one thing you can always remember, this upper level will remain same, only lower level depending upon situation it changes. How you can remember is, there is no pairing, right? No pairing means 2 will go with 1. Pairing is there means 2 will go with 2. You remember this fact. So now if there is no pairing, you can see, so 2 will go with 1 means it will go up. So sigma 2pz will be up. The reason I can tell you, because there is a no case of this, that means repulsion case is not there, because I know that one minus is there in the box, another minus coming in, between minus and minus repulsion will be there. So you don't have a case of repulsion here. That's the reason why PZ attraction, what you said right, it has only attraction. There is no trace of any kind of repulsion. So the repulsion is not there. Attraction what we had, right, it's maximum. When attraction is maximum, its energy is so minimum, so it interacted with the sigma star 2s of the lower orbital. So because of the repulsion between sigma star 2s and sigma 2pz, the 2pz will be kicked up here. Okay, so otherwise you can simply say 2 will go with 1, that's enough. Total 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what do you mean by N2 plus 1 electron you remove? So I'll remove 1 electron, it's done. Always you remember, one bond made up of 2 electrons. One bond made up of 2 electrons. See this. Pi bond made up of 2 electrons. Pi bond made up of 2 electrons. So 1 pi bond, 2 pi bond. And you have sigma bond, 1 electron. When 2 electron can give you 1 bond, so half electron can give you half bond. So how many sigma bond? Half sigma bond. So this is what they asked, right? So absolutely option A we have to tick it as right answer.